right, let's jump into Tell Toby 240602. This is the drag hook. We are in pounds, so make sure you're starting with your inch template. And let's jump in. We're going to start with just doing a sketch on the front plane, and we'll make this outer shape. So we'll start with a line. I'm going to start with this 14-degree dimension that is given in the front view. And then we'll switch into the tangent arc option, come up past halfway. Let's give that a dimension of 4. So that's given here as a reference dimension. And we're going to make a line. And we'll dimension the line, construction line in here is 18. All right, that's all the dimensions we need. And we are going to put a solid thicken extrude, make sure that wall thickness is on the inside, with a symmetric depth of 6. There's the value here in the side view. Okay, that looks good. All right, and let's add in the full round. So we're going to go from the front face to the back face, hold down Control, and then say the full round gets applied to this end surface, and there we have that. And we can use that as a reference for making these slots. So we can use the palette tool to add a center to center racetrack. Double click and place that. Okay. Make that bigger. All right. I'm going to place just a construction point at the center of this arc, and then I will constrain the slot to that arc. We have an overall thickness, middle click, of 2, and the center to center distance is 4. Okay. I'm going to also place a total length racetrack on here to be the slot that we cut out at the end here. Okay, that's going to have a thickness of 2. Let's see here. I'm going to make these endpoints coincident with the end, and then we'll dimension from the same starting point, but to the edge. We're trying to get this dimension of 7 here, so middle click to place that. And we'll have to delete its overall length to do that. Okay. And we're going to go and make those remove through all. Okay. Very nice, very nice. Okay, next we're going to add some rounds. Both of these corners are going to be round with a radius of 1. Again, hold down Control for multiple. That is the wrong edge. Woo! Let's edit definition. So this one I'm going to remove, and instead I'm going to go with this one. That was a weird perspective that tricked me. All right. Let's remove 2 holes. We can use equal diameter on these. Okay, I'm going to drop a point in the center of my arc here. Let's make those horizontal between that point and this one. Let's get our diameter, 0.65. And it is going to be 1 inch to the left and 0.75 inches up. So it's going to be right in the center of that hook. This dimension, actually the one I want, is the distance from here to here, but it doesn't usually give me the right dimension. So I'll type in 4 minus 0.75. Again, we'll flip those and we'll remove material through all. And the last step is this kind of slot counterbore, you could think of it. So we will offset this edge, but I will hold down Shift to get the tangent loop, and we'll make it minus 0.75. And that number comes from the 3.5 minus 2 divided by 2. All right, and we are going to remove material, and that has a depth of 0.5. That should be everything. Looks good. All right, so we are in pounds, we are in steel, and we are going to check and see how we did. And we are looking for plus or minus 0.1 pounds, so 38.8, and we got it. So here we did a thicken extrude. We used that slot tool quite a few times. We did a full round. May have been a while since we've applied a full round here. But that is our part for today. Take care and stay quirky.